Good morning students and welcome back to your online class once again. So today in this tutorial we'll be learning about three topics, which is paragraph spacing, page margin and page orientation. So let us begin the video of today. So students, as you can see here that I have already opened Microsoft Word here and I have written a paragraph also, as today our topic is paragraph spacing, page margin and page orientation. So first of all I'll show you the practical that how we can apply paragraphs spacing to this paragraphs. Paragraph spacing, as a name is itself saying, that it is used to give the space between the paragraph. So there are two ways. You can give a space by pressing the enter also when you end a paragraph. However, that will not work properly because the amount of space between all the paragraphs will not be equal. So to give the equal amount of space between more than one or two paragraphs, we use the paragraph spacing option, which is given in the page layout tab. So to open the page layout tab, you have to click on the top. On the top you can see the third menu is the page layout, and after this page layout you have to see that there is a spacing option given here. In this you can see there are two command buttons, before and after. So you can give the space before the starting of the paragraph and after ending of the paragraph also. So first of all we will see the space after ending of the paragraph and then we will see the before ending of paragraph. For that you need to select the paragraph. So to select the whole paragraph I can use a mouse also, as I have told you in the last video, or we can do Control A as well to select the whole paragraph. Then again go to the page layout menu, click after paragraph. Points you have to decide. You can just increase it by the increase button or decrease it. So I am increasing it. You can see that the paragraph spacing is getting increased. Now this can also be decreased by pressing the decrease button. It can be decreased. Alright, so this is how the paragraph spacing is applied to the paragraph. And now if I want to give the spacing before the paragraph, again I will select it and go to the page layout and increase the space before the paragraph. So you can see that the paragraph is starting after giving some amount of space before it. Alright, so this is how the paragraph spacing is done and it is applied on a particular paragraph. Now we will see that how to apply the page margin from the top, left, right and bottom. Okay, now so to give the space, what is page margin? It is the white space which you can see from the top, from the left, right and at the bottom. So the space which is left out, which is white, that is called as a page margin. That can be assigned by us. It is by default giving the space like this. Whenever you open a software and start writing an application or anything on it, the space is already given, the margin is already decided. You can adjust the margin by the help of ruler also, with as per your convenient. However, you can select the page margin kind of patterns and layouts also from the page layout menu. So we'll go to the page layout menu. You can see from on the top left there is a margin option. So you will click on margin and normal is already decided. It means 1 inch of space is given from top, left, bottom and right. So if you want a lesser space, you can select the narrow option. If you want a moderate, you can select the moderate option. Wide, so we will do it one by one. Let us click on narrow and you can see that it is showing you the narrow space from the top, left, right and bottom. So if you want to increase it or decrease it, or you can adjust the different pattern, like I want to do a wide one, so I'll select wide and you can see the white space is increased from the left, right, top and bottom. So this is how you can apply the page margin to the page. Okay, moving forward we will see that how to change the orientation of the page. So to see the orientation and apply the orientation of the page, we should understand that what is orientation. Page orientation is actually changing the layout of the page in a length or width format. Means there are two ways of printing the page or writing the text in a particular document. When the top edge is shorter, it is said to be a portrait orientation. When the top edge is longer, it is said to be a landscape orientation. So there are two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. Right now we are in portrait orientation. This will be more clear when you click on the home tab and go to the print preview option. So you can see here that how it looks. So this is having the shorter edge on the top, so that is why it is called as portrait orientation. Now when we have to see it in landscape form, let us see again. So this is our page. Again I will go to the page layout you have seen here orientation option is here. So click on orientation, click on landscape. By default it is portrait, we can change it to landscape. So when I'm changing to landscape, you can see that the edge from the top has become longer. So let's go to the print preview option again and see how it will be printed. So see here, it is in landscape format. So this is how the portrait and landscape works. By default it is portrait, you can change it to landscape, whatever is your requirement. Alright, so students, as we have already learned these topics, I want to show you. Let us summarize and see what is the exact definition of all these commands. So the first one is paragraph spacing. It is the amount of space given before and after the paragraphs. Page margin is a white space given from the top, bottom, left and right edge of the page. Page orientation is changing the layout of the page in length and width format. It is of two types, portrait and landscape. Portrait is layout with a shorter edge on the top and landscape is layout with a longer edge on the top. So these are the definition. You can note it down if you want in your fair copy, or you can memorize it from the book. So that's all for today, students. You go through the topic and the video very carefully. Try to apply this if you have computer at home. So try to go through the steps which I have discussed in video and try to apply all the things. And if you will be having any queries, do mail me or text me. Till the time, stay safe and happy. Thank you so much.